Hey guys, Derek Bonzagni out here. One of my favorite cars, and I had a few requests. Want to make sure I did a thorough walk around video. For all of you who haven't heard of an Aero Kit, or maybe some of you Porsche enthusiasts have and hadn't seen one yet, that is because they had them for just a short amount of time. The order bank was open basically on the 21 model years when it was kind of the COVID stuff running on, parts supply just started getting crazy, and they did a stop sale on it. So it was only open for a short window. So if you can find one of these cars, it's pretty awesome. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. The kit is basically the spoiler on the back, and you're going to see the side skirts and the front lip, but it just gives it such a cool look. So if you're looking for something unique, definitely check our website, harperporsche.com. That will tell you right away if I've got it still in stock, or if this video is just one of my posts from a while back, or one that's been sold and gone. But at least you can have a reference to the Aero Kit. So thanks for watching. My name is Derek Bonzagni here at Harper Porsche. Here we go. All right, here it is. 2021 Porsche 911. This is a Carrera S, 440 horsepower. We did the clear lens on the rear, blacked out the badging, color matched the badge, sport exhaust. Your sport design kit is this back here, and of course the bumper. So here we are in the front of the Aero Kit. Get the little lip here on the bottom. Love these wheels. Yeah, we got a little surface rust on there. We do have clear shield on the front here. It's something I recommend. Keeps those rock chips off. This entire hood is covered. You can see the line here. So this hood is wrapped on this 992, this particular one we have. But then on the bottom, back to the Aero Kit, get the little skirt there. Just a cool looking car, and it's got a little bit of GT look to it. Love the clear lens on the back. So if you like something unique, the other unique thing about this car, because it was ordered, the client is an enthusiast, and it is a manual transmission car. It does have sport chrono. It does have heated and cooled seats. About 4,000 miles on it, 4,050. So great build, great car. If you're wondering what an Aero Kit is, now you know. My name is Derek Bonzagni out here at Harper Porsche. Thank you for watching.